making a snowflake. So what we will do is we will fold this corner to this. It's okay if it's not that even, but you want it kind of so, and then you flip it over and you'll see that it's on the corner. And then you have a little excess there. You just cut that part off so you have like a rectangle. And then you do corner to corner. Wait, am I doing this wrong? No, this is supposed to go. Okay, and you'll do corner to corner. I already did that. And then you'll do corner to corner again. Ugh. I'm sorry guys, I just have bad paper. It feels like cardboard. Okay, you don't have to do the other folds. You don't have to, but you can if you want. If you want it to look better, you can. But mine's probably not gonna look that good. Kids, guys. You will cut little cards, like you can cut any kind of decoration. I'm cutting a little that. And then you cut off the tips. And it might look like that. And by the tips you can make the thing. And then after you're done doing that, fold it over like this. And then make little things like this. And then the paper will come out like this. Make sure you're not doing it on the open side, because then it wouldn't work. Yours would be rough. And you can always redo it. It's fine if it's not on the line. And let's see the final reveal. It kind of looks like this. Ooh, let's look and see it. Ooh, this is mine. Send a video of what yours looks like. Or no, not a video. Send a picture of what yours looks like. Okay, now I will be showing you how to make one with I don't know if this okay. Oh, and and if you want, you could also, when you turn it like that, when you're doing the stuff in the middle, you could also do like a little round circle and then like spikes, and that looks cool too. So in my next video I'll be doing that. So bye.